locked on. Well, the first tongue was based on Electric Crane Bird, and the DLC is a winter season, so Ice plus Storm Bird, maybe a Blizzard. Dude, it reminds me of that. Damn, Blizzard, Electro Blizzard, something like.
Electro, blizzard of static, cold storm, frozen lightning and mist of sparks. Lie or die, you can't decide when I see right through your bluff. Ice sharpens my feathers.